friends, my name is Pritesh Nagarashet. I am from Annavara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 10th standard, that is triangles. In triangles we already discussed about what is meant by triangle, what is the difference between similarity and congruency, and also we discussed about theorem 6.1, theorem 6.2 and theorem 6.3 or AAA similarity criteria. So let us move on to the next topic. It is quite similar to the last topic, that is AAA similarity criterion. So it is AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Yes. So also we know about some of the triangles, that is right angle triangle or triangles. So in triangles the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have, if it is, when we have two triangles, in two triangles the two pairs of corresponding angles are same, means automatically the third pair of corresponding angles are also same, because of the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let us take a look at that one. Here I am considering the two triangles. The two triangles are one and the similar triangles I am putting here. Yes, those two triangles are similar. Yes. We have AB, C and PQR. Yes. I will consider some measurements. Here I will take it as a 40 degree. And here I am taking it as a 70 degree. Okay, whatever the angle you can take here, and here also it is the corresponding angle of this angle, that is I am taking only 40 degree only, and here I am taking 70 degree. So that means here in this triangle, considering when two triangles are there, so that is ABC and PQR, in those two triangles the two pairs of corresponding angles are same. We have. So let us consider that one. That is consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So here we have angle BAC is equal to angle QPR is equal to 40 degree. Then another pair of corresponding angles are angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. So consider only triangle ABC. So we can take only one. So we can take both also. But here we have to consider only triangle ABC and take the angle sum property here. So consider triangle ABC, and from angle sum property of triangles, what we have, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So here we have to find angle ACB, and angle ABC is equal to 70 degree plus angle BAC is equal to 40 degree plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Here 70 plus 40 is equal to 110 degree plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Here that is angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So we have to find the value of angle ACB. That is angle ACB is equal to it is 180 minus 110 degree means here 70 degree we have. If angle ACB is equal to 70 degree, so the other corresponding, that means here this angle is also 40 degree, this angle is also 70 degree means, so other angle is also 70 degree only. Therefore similarly we can take angle PRQ is equal to also 70 degree. Therefore angle ACB is equal to angle PRQ. So this is the, we can call it as a AA similarity criterion. That means by observation we can find only two similarities or only two equalities of corresponding angles. So there is no any another angle, but we can take it as a true. So that means we can take it as other angles also, other corresponding angles also same. So therefore we can state AA similarity criterion. That is, we can take if in two triangles, two pairs of, or we can take any two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Then two triangles are similar. This is known as AA similarity criterion. So that is AA similarity criterion means angle similarity criterion. If we find out those two angles, the two pairs of corresponding angles are same means, so we can take those two triangles are one and the similar. We can take here. So let us take some of the problems based on AA similarity criterion. Let us take the first problem. So here there is no any diagrams in this question. So initially in your examination, in the question paper, you have only the sentence like this. So you have to draw a diagram. So here I am only drawn a triangle only here. So here with the help of the given quantities, we have to draw a diagram suitable for the question. Yes. Here S and T are the points on PR and QR. So it is, here I am taking PRQ. That is PQR like this. So PR and QR. So that means on PR and QR there are some points T, S and T. So here I am considering S. Here I am considering T here. So here S here and here it is T. So that is PR and QR. So S is a point on PR and T is a point on QR. Then triangle PQR respectively you can take such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So here what we have to do? So here we have to join this. Yes. Here it is given that angle P, this angle is equal to RTS, that is RTS, this angle. Those two angles are one and the same here. So here we have the diagram. Firstly we have to draw a diagram like this suitable for our requirement. So firstly we have to write what are the given terms. Yes. So given it is only the given it is, that is angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS, only it is given. Yes. Then what we have to prove here? To prove that is triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. We have to prove. So here we have two triangles. It is given two triangles. So take two triangles and find out any equalities are there using some of the criterion. So you have to come to the conclusion that those two triangles are similar. So here I will part here only. Yes. So that means here it is given that we have to conclude as a similarity between those two triangles. So that's why we have to consider those two triangles only. Consider triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Consider. So here it is proof. Here it is the proof. So firstly we have to consider triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Triangle RTS we have to take. In that we have to find out some of the equalities. What are the equalities we have? Firstly, it is one given, it is there. So one angle is given, that is angle P is equal to angle RTS because it is given. When we write given here, you have to write in the part of given only. So then only it is valid. Otherwise, I don't know. Yes. So here angle P is equal to angle RTS we have here. Then, so let's just look at here angle R. Here angle, complete angle R is the common for both the triangles. Yes, so obviously we can take that one. Angle R is equal to angle R. So better you have to write in complete because those two that common angle is belong to different triangles. That's all. So here firstly I will write it as PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to angle SRT or TRS or SRT. SRT here because it's a common angle. Common angle for both. Any other equalities are there? Any other angles are possible here? No. Any other sides are possible? No. So that's why we can take that one as a AA similarity criterion. That means we have those two similarity criterion. So we can assume, we can easily take the other pair of the third pair of corresponding angles are also equal. So from AA similarity criterion, better to write a statement here, so you can get the better marks here. So that's why better to write the statement here. I am not writing the statement. So you can write the statement here. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS here. Triangle RTS. So this is the proof of this problem. So better you have to write the statement. Okay, so because if you have 5 marks for this question, means you get 1 mark for the statement. So you can get easily. So that's why better to write that one here. So this is the proof of this thing. Proof of this problem. So let us move on to the next problem. Yes, so let us move on to the next problem. So here it is also a statement. That means in the question or in the question paper or in the exercise you have only this much. There is no any diagram at all in this concept or problem. So better you have to write the diagram here. So here it is only the parallelogram I drawn here. So only ABCD parallelogram. So E is a point on the side AD is produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So that means the side of parallelogram ABCD. So you have to extend up to E and join to CD. So that means BE. So that means we have to join up to B here, and that is intersects CD at F. So understand the question and then you have to draw. So that means firstly it is AD is produced up to E. So firstly we have to produce AD up to E here like this. E is Up to E we have to extend, and then we have to join BE like this. Yes. Then here it intersects CD. The BE intersects CD and F means here we have to take F here. So this is the diagram we want in this problem. So here we have to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFP. ABE, so that means here ABE, so this triangle we have to take, and CFB, we have to take. From those two triangles we have to find some of the equalities here. So then we have to take those two triangles are similar. So there is any given terms are there? No any given terms. That is, so here it is only the construction part. So here only we have to prove this thing. So just observe what are the conditions are there we can take here. So here, so ABCD is a parallelogram. You can take that one as a parallelogram. That is given it is ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram we can take that AB is parallel to CD. Yes, we can take that one. AB is parallel to CD. So we have the property of parallelogram completely. So that means we have to use all the properties of parallelogram in this proof. So let us what we have to prove here? To prove. What we have to prove? Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFD. So we have to prove. Yes. So we have to take those two triangles, so that we have to prove at the end of the problem, or at the end of the solution, or at the end of the proof. So we have to consider those two triangles. That is, prove, consider triangle ABE, and triangle CFB. So consider those two triangles here. Just observe ABE here and BCF here. So we have to consider those two triangles here. So what are the equalities we have to find out? So here just observe, in a parallelogram means, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So we know that opposite angles are equal and the adjacent angles are supplementary. Also we know that one in the 8th standard, and also in the 9th standard also we have a quadrilateral chapter. In that we have those criteria, so those properties we proved that one also. So that means here angle A is equal to angle C. So we can take those two, that is the opposite angles of a parallelogram. That is angle BAE. Angle BAE is equal to angle BCF. BCF because it is opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Yes. Then here we have one condition of angle. So then we have to consider what are the other sides are there, or what are the other possible angles are there. Those two are equal. Yes. So here also we know that AB is parallel to CD. Yes. Here AB is parallel to CD means when we consider FB as a transversal. So there are some of the pairs of corresponding angles are equal. So that means here we can take those angle CFB and angle ABE are the alternate interior angles. So those two are equal, we can take. That is, consider AB is parallel to CD, and FB is a transversal. FB is a transversal. Then what are the interior angles or alternate interior angles possible here? Angle CFB or ABE, angle ABE is equal to angle CFD because it is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Yes. Alternate interior angles. So here we have those two equalities here. So these two are equal here. So here just observe, we have two angles, two corresponding angles in two triangles we consider. So that means we can take AA similarity criterion. From AA similarity criterion we can take those two triangles are similar. That is from AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion. So from AA similarity criterion you can write the statement here. If you write the statement you get the better marks. So here only you have to write the statement. So after that you have to conclude that is triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So we have from the AA similarity criterion. So firstly you have to draw the diagram according to our needs, and so firstly we have to know about what are the given terms, what we have to prove, then we have to find the two corresponding angles in that diagram, and then we have to take AA similarity criterion. So according to AA similarity criterion we have those two triangles are one and the same, not one and the same, those two are similar, not the same, those two are similar only. Yes, so that means similar means the corresponding angles are same, the corresponding sides are proportional, that is are in the same ratio. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem as a homework. Take two homeworks here. So there are two homeworks. In figure 1, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersects each other at the point P. So here it intersects at point P here. Show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB, and triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So that means here the four conditions are there to prove. So here also we know that here we have to consider so these two triangles, and then we have to find two angles in that those two are equal. And here also we have to consider those two triangles, and in that we have to take AA similarity criterion. And in these two triangles also, we have to find those two corresponding angles are equal, means it is eligible for AA similarity criterion. So let us find those two angles in that triangles. Okay, so I will give you the hint that, so here it is, one is the 90 degrees there, so we can utilize that. In that we have that one. So sometimes we have some of the common angles there. So try to recognize what are the common angles are there and what are the right angle possible there. So let us mind that one. So after that you have to solve this problem. So then the fourth problem, in figure 2, triangle ABC and triangle AMP are right angles. So right triangles, it is those two are right triangles. So it is given that we have to consider those two triangles, and then right angle at BM and respectively we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So that means when you have to consider those two triangles, and then you have to find those two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, pairs of corresponding angles are equal. So we can take AA similarity criterion, then those two triangles are similar. So then after that we can easily take this criterion, because AA criterion tells us that when the corresponding angles are equal, and when those two triangles are similar, so that the corresponding angles are also equal, and then the ratios of corresponding sides are proportional. So we have that one. So try to solve these problems in your home. Don't refer any social media. Try to solve your own only. Yes. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification very easily. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.